Good day, my country. My name is official, just me, AKFG, but promoting so. You know me, I don't like make a dey talk, make a dey hear, then see. I don't get am for that. Now, Desmond, Olushola, Elliot, our Lagos State House of Assembly, I want to be to today. Into say you want teach people how they chop fish. You want teach them how they keep fish. You want come over she judge, how come over in play. I pay a koja there. Now, our honorable Desmond Olushola Elliot, Lagos State House of Assembly, share POS to the people. Empowerment to the people for business. Say me then they use them do business. Not be ordinary POS. POS will be say you put money inside there. Money will be say they go to use them run the business. They use them do them. In short, make I no even talk too much. Make we go up, can't go here. See how people they appreciate. Follow us.
No more you, with no more you, what am I gonna do? With no more you.
My name is Olushola. We really thank Honorable Desmond Olushola Elliot for giving us this POS. At least it's going to ease the stress of going to the bank and monetary issues. Really thank him so much for bringing the government to the grassroots. May God keep blessing him. Thanks.
I am Justina E. Obu. I'm really very grateful to Honorable Desmond Elliot for giving me the POS. God bless him.
Thank you, Desmond Olushola Elliot. I've received the POS. I'm so much grateful. God will replenish your pockets in Jesus' name. Thank you so much.
I use this opportunity to thank Honorable Desmond Elliot for this empowerment. I pray that God's favor will not depart from him and his family. Bibire.